Are you ready to master the art of Canva and take your YouTube channel to the next level using my 5 secret strategies? The first strategy lies within 2 hidden apps that are going to help you find pictures quickly that are absolutely free. Instead of going to Elements and searching here, what you're going to do is go down to Apps. And all you need to do is type in Pixabay at the top and it will open up for you. You can then search for your free images. Let's say that you're doing a video on how to make pancakes and there's an image here. So let's move on to the second app. Let's use Pexels. What you could do is use these images for thumbnail inspiration for future videos. Someone may want to go, okay, I could put 4 pancakes on this picture and use this sort of tool. I don't know what this is called, but you could use something like this and just sort of emulate this picture. That is one way to use these 2 apps for your YouTube channel. In addition to that, you can also go to the website. For example, pexels.com or pixabay.com. You can even, for example, on Pexels, search for videos. This is great for B-roll. Pancakes. Let's see if we've got any pancake B-roll. And look, you just have some simple pancake B-roll that you could use on your YouTube channel. And all you'd need to do is click download and you could choose full HD, download a selected size. And look, that one actually came from Pixabay. You can actually start editing that for free. But when you click into it, it's not going to take you straight to that. You would need to click edit a video if you're doing video, and then you can upload that video straight into your uploads tab and then pull it in to edit it however you would like. If we did an image, let's just go to Pixabay. Why don't I grab this bird? If you look over here, there's an edit image and it will actually open up the image within Canva so that you can edit it. And what it does at the same time is uploads for you. The image will open straight up into your Canva account. The video at this time will not. But you can find all sorts of things there, including watch on Pixabay. You can even find illustrations. You can find vectors, you can even find musics or sound effects. So give it a go and check the terms and conditions for the different apps that you use. And you can find out what the terms and conditions are generally by going to Explore or something near the top and finding out the license summary and terms of service. So these are things that you're going to want to look at before you use them for your channel. If you don't want to go through all of that, that's a hassle for you. Go into Pexels, Pixabay, go into the website, doing all of that. If all of that is a pain and you don't want to do that, then what I recommend is signing up for a Canva Pro account. And the good news is with that, if I type in pancakes, then I can choose any of the graphics I want, any of the videos I want. I don't have to sort through and find the free ones. YouTube community posts and thumbnails can be tricky for a couple of different reasons, but one of those reasons is choosing the right color combination. This next strategy makes that simple. What you're going to do is go down to the left-hand side on Apps. Search for the word shades. This is what it looks like right now. We're going to click on that. You may need to connect to it, but it is an app within Canva. You don't have to go anywhere else or sign into anything else. Choose whatever color it is you want for your primary. I can add this palette to my design. What that means, all of those colors are within my document colors. You can even use these to create your community posts, your YouTube thumbnails, and create your brand colors. We've got this picture and we know that we want to use variations of this red, of the strawberry. So what I'm going to do is click on the background. I need to choose that color. And the color is not here within photo colors. I'm on my Chrome browser. So because of that, I've got a little eyedropper and I'm going to find a color within that strawberry that I like. Here it is. This is the color that I want. I'm going to click this and I'm going to choose this hex code. I Control C on my keyboard, and now I'm going to scroll down and find the shade app that I've already programmed here. Next up, I'm going to paste that color in. Now I have a color palette that matches this image. Add palette to design. This strategy is going to make it easier for you to help those that can't see your images. This next one is especially meaningful to me because when I was in college, I actually worked one summer at the Camp for the Blind and Visually Impaired in North Carolina. Working there that summer really impacted the way I viewed the world. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to download this. What we're going to do is in the apps, we're going to type in Image Insights. And here it is, Image Insight. We're going to choose a file. Yep, I needed it downloaded. So I'm going to choose this file right here and click Generate a Caption. AI is going to analyze the image and generate a caption for those that can't see it. It says, a stack of pancakes with syrup and berries. It's very simple, but it's exactly what it is. And you could use this for your alternative text. So I just want to show you a quick little trick that you could do. If you're wanting to add alternative text to an image and you don't see an option to do that, all you need to do is write alternative text, write what it says. So it's basically just an image description, and then you can share whatever it is above that. Their visual readers will be able to read what the image is. And you're probably going to notice me start to use this a little bit more because honestly, I have failed as a creator by not providing alternative text on my images. I do film all of these really far in advance, but I also take ideas from you. If there's ever a video idea that you have in mind or something that you want to learn, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. I may not know the answer. It may not be my area of expertise, but it might help me brainstorm for a video in the future. This next strategy will help you if you've ever been stuck on finding the perfect overlay images for your YouTube channel. This media feature within Canva is quite simply put, it's magical. Let's go take a look. I'm going to show you where I find the easiest is to go to Elements, scroll down a little bit. You're going to see AI Image Generator, create your own. That's right, everybody. It's an AI generator within Canva. I've done videos on this before. I've heard that there's a couple new things, so we're going to give it a go. For the images, we're going to describe the image we want. Space panda walking on the road. Maybe we'll just go with filmic and square since it's square. We're going to generate it. And if you have this for free, it will tell you what your limits are. I think that there are 25 total in your life, but as a Canva Pro member, you can generate up to 500 times for a month. I found the new features. I actually want it to be a little more specific. Wearing a space suit, walking on the road. That should be enough. So we're gonna try it one more time. A panda walking on the road. Let's just do a photo that time. We're gonna generate this and I'm gonna show you the new feature that's within. This is just wearing a regular suit. This isn't exactly what I had in mind, but we're gonna roll with it because I think I really like this one. When you add an image to your design, it automatically goes to your uploads folder. So when I click this panda bear right here, you're going to notice that the upload folder is filling up. Now, let's say I wanted more similar to this. When I click the three dots, I can generate more just like that, and it's going to give me some more options. We're generating new variations based on the image you selected. I love this. And then it gives me 4 more that are very, very similar. I saw something else there, generate video. It's going to generate a video based on that image. I love this idea. It takes a little while to generate the scene. What I'm going to do is leave a link in the description for you that will help you understand what the limits are as a free member as well as a pro member that will help you understand Magic Media a little bit more. Okay, it moved it. That's pretty dang awesome. It's a short little video, but it made it animated. I'm going to rate that video 5 plus. If I wanted something different, I could describe a scene, include colors. It's just going to be a short little clip. I know at this point you're probably wondering, is she ever going to finish? Let's talk YouTube thumbnails. Do you have the perfect image, but the quality of your image sucks? This next strategy is for you. I'm actually just going to do this in a square size, but it works exactly the same. What you're going to do is go over to apps and type in enhancer. Enhancer is something that you can use to enhance your images. It is also AI generated. So what we're going to do is just click choose file. I'm going to use this one. This is a picture of my friend Sharon, and she has a YouTube channel too, and we're going to go there. I'm not going to enhance face because I tend to find that that's a little overkill, but we're just going to enhance the image. You click enhance image, you let it upscale your image from what it was to, I think it goes up to 1,000%, but I think this one probably going to do more like 500%. It enhances this image by 435%, and we can add to the design. Sometimes Enhancer has a little bit of trouble. It might be down or something. You could use Pixel Perfect instead and do the same thing, compare and contrast. It's the same type of image enhancer. This one's just called Pixel Perfect. You're thinking, this works great if you already have a picture taken. But what if you forgot to take your picture? Watch this to learn how to make a thumbnail from a simple screenshot out of your video. I'll see you next time. Bye.